Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You have the essentials: level, gear, and a team. Now act. First, confirm you are at or above level 300 and have a reliable fast boat. This matters because raids spawn far apart. Once done, equip Hacky or a powerful devil fruit. You want damage and survivability. Then open the world map, scan island names and timers, and sail toward islands with raid markers. Make sure to communicate roles with teammates so you don't waste time when you arrive. Once you're en route, refine your search with the map and nearby player chatter. Raids often appear on specific islands, so listen for calls and watch for markers. When you approach, scout from a distance to confirm the raid boss and mob layout. This prevents wasted respawns. Then position your team. One player tanks to hold attention, while you and teammates concentrate DPS on the boss's weak phases. Keep moving and use cooldowns wisely. Sustained pressure wins the encounter. Finish strong. Clear remaining adds and collapse onto the boss when its shield or invulnerability ends, because that's when you'll secure rare drops. After defeat, loot fast. Crates can despawn and teammates may need shares. If the raid despawns or you receive no loot, check for server lag, verify the respawn timer, and confirm you had damage credit. If bugs or disconnects happen, teleport or return to a safe zone to reset the instance, then rejoin or switch servers as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.